cinnamon. There you go, Eddie. 1, 2, 3. Give it a second for the coating to start coming.
Oh, this is great. This is totally going on YouTube when I get home.
Oh my god! This is perfect!
And I'm videotaping it all. And it's going down.
Remember the shocker incident?
I'm so happy I'm videotaping this.
That taste is gonna linger in your mouth.
Well, he has had it in his mouth for a minute now. Let's see how long he can handle it in his mouth.
Swallowing whole.
That'll be worse. Yeah, then it digests and comes out the other end.
Just try biting it.
Release that little burst. Are you coming over today, Christoph?
Sorry.
His mouth is turning red.
You should bring more beef jerky on Monday.
Maybe. His tongue is red.
This is so going on YouTube.
Jake, this is entertaining.
Very. He's crying.
Oh, yeah.
And it keeps on going.
How's it taste, Christoph? How is it?
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Except maybe like hot cinnamon.
Oh, ask him about the time he put 5 shockers into his mouth at once.
Oh!
He cried so hard.
I still got that video.
Oh, show it to her, please.
I will when I get my tablet back.
I'm trying to make sure my hand stays steady before it doesn't go.
Put it in your cheek.
Wait until we get to your house to eat those.
It's so big.
I'll eat it in a cup.
This is what happens when a little boy
It usually
likes to
takes
eat
between
hard
15
candy.
to 20 minutes. At one point, his taste buds are gonna go numb.
Twinkies!
Nobody got
I
that.
got Twinkies!
Oh, then your host.
No.
These will always be known as Twinkies.
I'm so happy I cleaned the camera screen off today.
You're welcome.
This is so worth it.
Yeah, you'll live.
Wait until I disperse this on Facebook.
Christmas release. Not really.
Oh, you have a Facebook?
I rarely go onto it. I just use it to spread my political ideas around.
So far he has
Already got
had
one
that thing in
warning
his
to
mouth for 3 minutes and 50 seconds.
Do this.
Just like the hot Cheetos incident? How'd that go?
That's the hot one.
Oh, really? Then you need to show this guy.
Or prove everybody that this is don't go on YouTube and you can fight it.
Hey, Christoph, you want to do the man challenge when you get home? Big spoon. Cinnamon.
That's great on ice cream, too.
I remember taking like a piece of class with us. Taking my time out coming all the way to
You know what I do?
Breathe.
I mix raw cinnamon rolls with my ice cream.
Breathe.
I am so putting this on
But
YouTube.
my dad comes
Rachel,
around, takes a big
give him
bite, not
CPR.
knowing what they were, hit the back of his
He
throat.
can't breathe.
He bolted outside. I didn't see him for a while.
I did too much.
How do you feel?
No, the red grandpa was the one that there. He would make us do crazy things to get money.
You know what I did for crazy things?
So
It
just
was
switch
the
my
dead of
temp-
summer,
the temp- the color?
104 degrees in Iowa. I wore a heavy coat, heavy sweatpants, and mowed the lawns for 4 people.
I think most
They
of
gave me
it's down now.
$140 a piece
Now fighting.
because I was the first person they'd ever
Don't-
seen do that for them.
It burns the inside of your teeth.
By the time it was over, core body temperature was
It burns the
double
inside of his
the
teeth.
safe amount. All I could think was, cold bath, please.
Dirty house, it hurts. Water, snow, anybody? Red?
I gave.
Oh, I want to bite somebody.
No!
You don't get any.
And you're not getting that beef jerky.
I gave it to her.
I got
darn, I
that
gave all my
camera that was
Sunny D's
based.
Hey, it's a butterfly.
I'm videotaping this.
Christoph, look at all that snow out there.
Somebody needs a cup of water.
Here, I can smell
Oh
it
hell,
like
so can I.
I know we can smell it.
Hey,
Don't do this at home, kids.
Thank you for doing that,
Small
Dan.
piece, please. I keep giving you pieces. Come on. Big piece, big piece.
Don't,
Rachel,
don't.
you're just sitting there smart.
Personal favorite to me, don't give it.
Yeah, I know, I so crazy.
Please.
Don't do this
I
at
have
home,
nothing
kids.
You only had
This is what happens when a little boy takes too much.
Gotta love it.
Please, God, include my name in this.
I will.
Bye. See you Monday. Yeah.
That's awesome.
I feel like giving these to the people down there.
Everyone goes like this.
Should I relent? Should I relent?
Should I give him half a
Should I give him the pretzels?
What?
Should I give him the pretzels?
No!
Wait.
This is for ditching me yesterday.
All I got is minutes. That'll make it.
At least he doesn't take a swig of gasoline.
Raw cinnamon Altoids.
If this doesn't make my voice worse, I don't know what does.
I wouldn't be surprised if you wake up tomorrow morning not being able to talk.
I'm just gonna hold these.
Hey, you know what the record is, don't you? Seven of them at one time.
I'll do that. I'll do 8.
You gotta record this!
Oh God! Yes, use your
I'll bring you
cameras.
Really?
You're just gonna be stupid. We'll do it Monday after school.
Don't choke on it.
Don't joke.
You know what? I'm gonna relent. Krista, you'll get them. Let's wait for them to pass.
Salt makes it worse.
It does. Yep.
You think we're not dumb enough to give you something that won't make it worse?
No, they won't make it.
Go ahead, take some salty. Take some of that. Go ahead. Eat some of it. I dare you. Eat some of them pretzels.
Blackening seasoning tends to have a good after effect. Come over later today.
Can't.
Why not?
I'll be here all
Who's
day.
man enough and woman enough to do the cinnamon challenge?
I never take down a challenge.
Do the cinnamon challenge. Spoonful of cinnamon. No water. And you gotta swallow it.
I'll do it if you do it.
I already did it. Try doing 10 saltine crackers with no water or something to drink. Makes it twice as hard. Exactly. It's pretty much
No.
as impossible as
No.
cinnamon challenge. Not even then. We tried so many. We spent
Hey.
20 boxes trying